Hey family, Hafiza here, back again with a yummy summer salad recipe. I'm here with my sis Mel in her kitchen. We're putting together a delicious, fun recipe. This will include some fresh blackberries, some raw walnuts, vegan feta, avocado, some blackberry balsamic, organic spring mix, and some organic spinach. These ingredients together create the perfect blend of sweet, savory, and crunchy. First, we're going to start by slicing up our peaches. You want them nice and thin so they layer beautifully on top of your spring mix and your spinach. And it is definitely a summer fruit, so peaches are in season right now. And the good thing is they add such a really good natural sweetness to this salad. You cannot go wrong with peaches. So we'll go ahead and add our fresh spring mix into the bowl, topping it with our organic spinach. Spinach is loaded with vitamins and gives the salad a hearty, leafy base. Now it's time to add those blackberries in. Those are super high in vitamin C, K, antioxidants, fiber, and they add a delicious flavor to our summer salad. And now it's the star of the show, our amazing peaches. We'll go ahead and layer on those thin slices, mixing them up with the blackberry, spinach, and spring mix. And then we're going to go ahead and slice up our avocado. Who doesn't love the perfect avocado? I know I do. Reed avocados have a really good buttery flavor, so I just happen to have these on hand, and they're going to add the perfect texture into any summer salad. Avocados add a really good healthy fat to any meal. They are super nutritious, healthy for the heart, great for your vision, and also may help to prevent osteoporosis. Avocados are great for the gut microbiome, and not to mention they add a really good way to make this salad super filling and delicious. Now it's time for our fresh walnuts. I prefer to use them just raw, but feel free to go ahead and toast them or candy them if you want. I love a crunchy, nutty flavor, and these peaches are on point, you guys. Look at this beautiful summer salad, and we're not even done. My sis is over here ready for the feta. Now you can add as much or as little feta as you want. We're using the vegan feta by Follow Your Heart. This just adds the perfect creamy texture, and it pairs so nice with the sweetness of the peaches. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Then lastly, we're going to go ahead and drizzle our blackberry balsamic on top, making this salad complete, and we cannot wait to dig in. Now you can get creative with your dressing or add a little salt and pepper, little olive oil, however you want. This can be your own creation. For us, we are ready doing the happy dance. Cheers. Let's try it. Absolutely delicious. I promise you guys, you will not be disappointed. Look at Melissa doing the happy dance. I hope you give it a try and enjoy it as much as we did. Don't forget to hit that like button. And while you're at it, go ahead and share and subscribe for more healthy, delicious recipes.